The many hold sway here. Even I cannot maintain contact. You are on your own, human.
Fail me not. We welcome you to our biomass.
We invite you to spread yourself out on our warmth.
One of our many will be there to help you before long.
Okay, this is a pretty disgusting place. Growing shot. I think I'll use the mid-high pose when I'm in no danger or there's no fighting going on, because it's slow and not very efficient, and from this point on every time I really need health I'm going to start using these medical kits. Because if I'm not going to use them now, I'm not going to use them ever. Doesn't matter. Okay, I guess we need to open this. So we need to follow these nerves. Destroy the target at the end of those nerves. And the sphincter will open at that point. So blue veins. Follow blue veins. We're still getting cybernetic modules, so we probably get a chance to upgrade at one point.
The arterial passageways are blocked by some kind of sphincter. I follow the nerves that threaded out of the walls from the blockage. They lead to a pair of nerve clusters. When the passageway is open, the cluster seems to contract. Conversely, I wonder if I was able to destroy both clusters, to open the blockage permanently. I'm anxious to see the rest of this beast. Now I'm convinced that this many, as it calls itself, indeed has a centralized nervous system, which means it would have to have some kind of centralized control. To this end, I've gathered as many weapons as I could and stashed them in caches. One of the beasts discovered a cache and apparently mistook it for food. It simply brought it into the crunching room. One of the flying things dragged me and David here last night. I don't remember much about the trip. I guess I must have blocked it out, half-conscious most of the time. I keep remembering the part from Pinocchio, you know, where the old man goes looking for the puppet inside the whale. Except I don't think anyone's coming in here to save me.
Okay, no more audio logs. This is probably the final chemical room, but we have nothing to research anymore. And we have over 1,000 nanites, and with nothing to spend them on. I should have bought more antipersonnel bullets. If I get a chance, although I don't see. So there are some structure still left in the body, so maybe if we explore we'll find some, but we seem to be getting new ones all the time. anyway, so maybe it's not that important. And we still can upgrade here. Can I fix
Hi
it?
there. Please make your selection.
Let's hack. In the hopes that we can buy anti-personnel bullets.
Please make your
And we
selection.
can.
Reinitialized.
Yeah, I'm going to spend the rest of my nanas here. I leave something so I can continue hacking things, but everything else must go.
Thank you for choosing. Thank you for choosing Value Wrap.
So we have now little over 300 anti-personnel bullets. I think that's enough. It has to be, we're not getting much more. I'm going to use standards if we don't have any. We're not actively in combat, but anytime else I'm going to start using anti-personnel bullets. We are getting a constant supply of antitoxin and anti-radiation hypos, so I guess we know what to expect. A hazard suit might actually be useful here, but who's going to lug around an extra armor at this point? That's why you probably get the biological armor just before this, so if you have research you can research and protection for yourself against radiation and toxin. But we'll just have to manage without. Yeah, this is totally a waste of time. It's anti-personnel or nothing at this point. Maybe if I use burst, but not against creatures like these. Let's go for a swim then.
Radiation hazard.
I'm stuck. Okay.
The machine mother cannot help you inside the biomass.
We're going to follow the nerve.
Her coldness is not welcome within the warmth of our flesh.
Radiation hazard.
So that's one down. We need to find the other two. It clearly said there are two locations.
Radiation hazard.
Maybe this. No, we started from here. So that was painful. We pretty much lost 1/3 of our anti-radiation medication. And we still need to find the other one.